40.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it, Sean! Load another one.
Oh my god. We have got a crazy video today in which two young boys are basically juggling a firearm back and forth between one another during a standoff. At one point, one of the boys even points it at the police. Keep watching to find out how this crazy video ends. I'm Squink, former cop, future bus driver, and I'm here to break down the raw reality of police footage every single day using my law enforcement experience. Today is no different. Let's jump in. Thanks for being here. Two young kids point gun at deputies during standoff. Coming from police activity. Never seen it. Here we go.
341, 131. We're going to be on the north side of the house.
No. Great mustache. Great overall look right here. Would love to look like this. Super hot guy right here.
You guys? And 394 has the eyes with the drone. It is going to be...
Just go ahead and drop that.
Put it down, babe.
Are you...
Put it down for me, okay?
You're not in trouble, but you have to drop that and come talk to us, all right?
See if there's a magazine inside the magazine well.
Put it down,
But
baby.
they're playing with the gun back and forth. The one in the blue is trying to take it from the one in the orange.
Put it
Oh
down,
my
baby.
god,
Put it down,
dude.
babe. You're okay. Put it down.
And now the kid in the
We wanna
blue
put
and
all
green
these
has
away,
a
but we
firearm.
need you to put it down, baby.
Is that a real gun?
Because of the shield.
Boys, what are we doing here? Is that a real gun? If it is, holy shit, his finger is on the trigger. And they are muzzling each other left and right.
Let's not do that. Let's take our hand off, buddy. Let's put it on the ground.
Also, how did we get this camera
He said he
angle?
has his hand on the trigger.
Hey guys, put the gun down and come
394 has
talk
a
to
shield
me.
if you do need one. Someone else come back
Put the
for
gun
it.
down and come and talk to me. It's okay.
Maybe
You're
a
not in
drone?
trouble, buddy.
Just put it down, babe.
And we'll show you how.
I know. Can you put it down for me?
Just put it down.
You're not going to be in trouble, okay?
Just put it on the ground, bud. Come talk to us. You're not in trouble.
394, who has it?
Can you put it on the ground for me, bud?
The one in the blue. One in the green. It's going to be in his left.
Police are going to do everything in their power. Oh my god.
Put it
Hey,
down.
put it
Don't
down,
do
buddy.
that.
This is like anyone's worst nightmare. Like, the gun is a threat, and this is a super sketchy situation, but no one wants to shoot. No.
I'm
Put it down, baby.
Come on. It's coming up to you guys. Okay.
Eugene. Put it down, babe.
Is that mom?
Can you lift?
You want 40 on that side? If so,
Is that their mom? The female voice?
Stand by, waiting for it to us.
Just wait. Let's try to keep talking with them.
Hey mom, I got a quick question for you. Why the fuck do they even have that firearm to begin with? Like, what led up to this? Why are you as the mother even keeping firearms in an area that would allow two young boys to just grab and then start screwing around with outdoors?
I know.
Eugene, put it down, babe, okay? Can you put it down for me so we can talk? Can you do that for me? Because you're doing a really good job right now. So if you could just put it down, I would appreciate that.
God.
He has a firearm right down now. He's no longer got his finger on the trigger.
I would go ahead and 40 him, try to knock it out of his arm, and then we can move up.
Hold on. What I want you to do is I want you to hit beside them.
Hit the wall.
I want you to hit the wall.
Hey, put that. Just keep it down.
Sean.
Down.
I want you to hit the wall or hit the fence.
It's gonna hit the wall with the 40.
Hey, you gotta do what he says. I want you to hit this.
This is so sketchy.
And we have Charlie speaking with these kids.
Sean. Can you put it down, babe?
Hold on a second. Give it a second. Kiddos, just drop that. And come talk to us. You're not in trouble.
Yeah, that's 10-4. We tried to talk them down. They're refusing to put the gun down.
If you can, ricochet it on the bottom of that wall into their feet.
Not with the cannon. If you put the
What
cannon
are they
down,
about
will
to
you put it
do?
down?
Okay?
So just
Try not to
put
hit
the
him.
gun down and we'll show you the cannon.
He's not gonna shoot you, babe. Put it down. Okay, he's gonna put it down now. He's facing it down. Now you put the gun down. Okay? Come on, Sean. Let's listen, okay, babe? We don't want to hurt you, honey. Can you put it on the floor? It's still gonna be right by you.
I don't know what
Put
the
it
right
down on the
answer
floor,
is.
Then he could keep his cannon down.
I really
But put it on the floor.
I really don't know what the right answer is here.
The sooner you put that down, the sooner we can take you home. We can go see your mom.
Sean, this isn't a game no more. We're not playing a game right now. This is serious.
10-30 speaking with 254.
Dude, real quick, this is a hardcore Minecraft player. Like this kid means business. Damn. These Minecraft players are starting to get pretty advanced. Pretty what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know.
I need you to put that down.
We want to help you, Sean. You tell me what you need after you put it down, and I'll make sure that we get you some whatever you need, okay?
We're just gonna wait
Ice
for a second.
Can
cream,
you do
Just hold
that
it.
for me?
a puppy, whatever you need, bud.
Well, your mom gave me your names backwards then.
So this isn't mom
All
talking.
right, then Eugene. Can you put it down for me? Now Sean has it. Sean, can you just toss it to the side, babe? Let's make this easy. Because we want to help you. We want to help you.
I want to try to do a warning, something.
Put it down, Sean. We don't want to hurt you,
I
okay?
just don't want to fucking.
Put it down, Sean.
I really don't want to fucking 48 kid right
We
now.
don't want to hurt you, and we want to help you, okay?
Aim it and fire.
It'd be
48.
Put it down, baby.
40 going out. 40.
From the range they're at, there's not a whole lot of options. You can't. No one wants to use any type of force on a kid for as young as they are. You can't beanbag them. You can't tase them. You can't. There's not a lot of options at this point. Like there's really not a whole lot you can do.
40.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it, Sean! Load another one.
Oh my God.
Load another one. Drop it now! You're gonna get hit! Drop it!
Why are they not dropping it is my question. Who raised these children?
Drop it now. Drop it, both of you.
I don't even have the gun. I don't have the gun.
Get over here.
Wow, dude.
10-4.
Oh my God. What were they thinking? I'm sorry if those were my two sons. I'd be losing my fucking mind. Honestly. You would hear some language.
You're not in trouble.
You would hear some language from me that people would be like, does he really need to be cussing at him? Yeah, I'm sorry. If my children did this, there's no excuse for that. But also, a huge part of it is where are their parents? What has happened in their life to lead up to this moment? My children would never, ever, ever in a million years pick up a firearm and point it at police, let alone continue to hold it after commands are given to drop the damn weapon. And that's simply because I have taught them respect. I'm kind of doubting that their parents have taught them what authority and respecting authority, meaning adults, looks like. I think the cops, they did a very, very, very good job. I still don't know what I would have done in this situation. So to be there is a whole different ball game. I think whatever they were, was it a beanbag? I don't know if it was a beanbag round, something, but it startled them enough to set them kind of off guard to the point where they could approach on foot and seize the weapon safely. It's by the grace of God it went as well as it did. So for that reason, I give them an A+. Yeah, phenomenal job. These little shits. Damn, dude. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye. Happy Saturday.